Dependable like that old truck, Graf Plumbing is here for you when that drain gets stuck. Our plumbers go the extra mile to repair that leak or clog and leave you with a smile. Graf Plumbing, solving plumbing puzzles one pipe at a time. Graf Plumbing, smart, fast, and friendly, and we'll save you that dime. Call us to protect your home for your peace of mind. Trust us, we are homegrown. We'll be there same day, we'll be there any hour in the day. We'll save you in your emergency. Solving plumbing puzzles one pipe at a time.